Welcome, welcome. This is day 16 of 100 days of code using Ruby. Yesterday, I reviewed some linked list stuff, linked list reversal, and then moved into tries. Didn't really know much about them, but got basic insert into a try and then search in a try to see if that word was there. So today I'm going to start by reviewing those and move into some other try operations, whatever those are. Yeah, I'll search on Geeks for Geeks after I get done with the review. Cool, so tests are there. This is really just printing out stuff. The search is the real test. And the biggest reason that I printed this out here is I had no idea how the try actually represented the data, but I've got a better idea since yesterday, which is nice because it was real confusing. Okay, I think that all of this just goes. Yep. And then I can start, well, I guess I don't need to do that or that. I can just do the methods inside. I don't mind redoing the try node. Try node, yep. Okay. And this is basically just initializing eyes. Yeah, I need to see if there's a more succinct way to add nil 26 times to an array. I wonder if the attribute accessor automatically adds the question mark at the end. I guess I'll find out. Day 2 with tries, gotta try and Rubyfy it a little bit more. Okay, let's see. Ruby, add the same thing to an array x times. Array fill. So you have an array. What does that take me to? Ruby doc, okay. equal. Fetch fill. So that just fills and replaces stuff that's already there. We need to go back and see what this guy was talking about. Okay. I wonder if that works. Let's try it. Fill, nil, 0, 25. Ruby test, try. And it broke something. And try 53. I have to end initialize. Okay. Let's run that again. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Oh, interesting. They must do it that many times instead of to that index. Okay, and let's see if this works as a one-liner. Yes, it does. That's awesome. Thank you, Ruby. Okay, that definitely cleans that up. Okay, I did just copy code most of this yesterday, but I do have a better understanding of it. Okay, I want to make sure root is available. though I'm not so sure that's true. We need to initialize. Let's make sure I end that. Root equal get node. And then get node is try node dot new. Okay, so those are the pretty easy ones. That's just defining data. Insert and search were the ones that were kind of confusing. Let's see if I can change those up a little bit just to make sure I understand them. Okay, temp is at root. Yeah, let's just do a while loop for the heck of it. I equals 0 while I is less than key dot length. Let's go ahead and do this before I forget and increment I by 1. Right, and this is getting the position in the alphabet. Index equals key I dot ord, and ord just gets the Unicode. Put this down here, see if this is more comfy. Ord just gets the Unicode character. Sorry, the Unicode value. And I know that A is 97. And we're assuming for this try that all of these are lowercase. Temp is equal to temp dot children index. Right, we have to create temp.children index. Temp.children index equals, I think I can just do get node if, right. So we can do unless temp.children index. Okay, so moving through the while loop, we get the index of the letter that's in the key. Because we map over the key. And then, since temp is root, we set root's children at the index of that letter to a new try node, unless it's already there. If it's already there or not, doesn't matter. We then set temp equal to that try node. And then, once we're done inserting that key, we want to end of word equals true. Okay. Makes sense. Let's see if that insert test works. Undefined method insert. Insert. Oh, I guess this is not automatically put on the end. Yep, that's it. Huh, I wonder if I explicitly put it there and explicitly put it here. Will it work? No, it still doesn't like that. Huh. Let me look up the attribute accessor and see if we can alias things. Ruby attribute accessor. Oh, I know I spelled that wrong. Because I know I could just make a little method to return it. But it'd be cool if Ruby did it on its own. Wait, I can just chain them? Dang. Alright, so I see a question mark there. Something expanded. I don't know what I clicked on. Okay, well, that's not super helpful. Let's just go to RubyDoc. Maybe I'll run into it somewhere else. But I guess I don't have to do this. And now I can check and see if those work. I guess not. Cool. And somehow, end of word is not getting set. Oh, it's got to be the innermost one. End of word is true. End of word is getting set. Okay. That's pretty good. Next up, we can do search. And search with the key. Okay, we need a temp variable. We'll set that equal to root. And we'll do this a little bit different. Dot each. Do I want to do dot each? With index. Yeah, we'll do it just for funsies. I'm going to do... and this will be character and index. And we'll actually set index equal to key I dot ord minus 97. I want to return false if unless temp dot children index, and then keep moving through and seeing if it's there. So this is really similar to insert. Yeah, I can use words. Okay. And then as a return value, we want to make sure temp is not nil and temp end of word. Sweet. Oh yeah. Oh, let me mute. So this makes sense. So if we actually find the word, but it's not the end of the word, it's only finding a slice of a different word. For instance, if the word then, THEN, was in the trie, but we searched for the, it should not find it. So that is a good test. Cool. And let's run those. Yay. I keep doing that. Oops. All right, cool. So let's see what else there is in tries. Try delete, okay. My guess is it'll be similar to insert. It will just copy a reference, delete the current one, and move forward. Oh no, it can't do that. Huh, yeah, we'll go check it out. Had deleted node from a try. Yeah, that's what I thought. During the operation, we will delete a key in the bottom up manner. Yeah, because if you go top down, you might delete references to other words. Following are possible conditions when deleting a key from a trie. Key may not be there, okay? So I guess we could just search, and if it's there, delete it. If not, don't worry about it. Okay. Oh. Key is present in a trie having at least one other key as a prefix key. Ooh, this is more complex than I thought it was going to be. Okay, let's read some code. Alright, that is just defining it. That's get node, this is insert, that's search. Oh, okay, we got an is empty. Guess that makes sense. Remove. Alright, doesn't look as long as I expected. If tree is empty, return. If last character of key is being processed, root key depth. Oh, I see. So I guess when they recur, they're passing in depth plus 1. Okay. And so with depth matches key dot size. Okay. That makes sense. Okay, cool. Also makes sense. It's not the actual root, it's just the current node. If given is not prefix of any other word. Oh, they just called delete on it. Oh, maybe that means something different in C. This, yeah, C++. And then return root. Okay. So that's only if it's the last character of this. If it's not the last character, recur for the child obtained. Oh gosh, I totally forgot to. One moment. There we go. Okay. So it finds the index. Oh, this is where it recurs. Huh. Okay. All right. That makes sense. But I'm still going to translate it. Okay. Yeah, I can just do it this way. Def remove. I'm gonna make root called current. I'm gonna change these up a little bit too. So I'm gonna start with the key, and then current is going to equal at root. And I want depth. No, that's okay. Depth equal to 0. That way I don't have to initialize this with root. I can just call remove key. Okay. Return if root dot nil. That is current. That makes way more sense. Current dot nil. Okay. This makes sense if depth equals, oh no, if I can get key dot or length from a string, we will see. Okay. Current dot end of word equals false if current dot end of word. Okay. This is only if it's the last character of the key being removed. I don't think I have to delete. It'll just get garbage collected. And then current equals nil if prefix of any other word. Oh, they made an is empty helper. Right. Is empty. Aha. Okay. Current dot. Let's see if this works. Children dot empty. And then return current. Okay. Ah, right. It's just automatically falls into this. Okay. That means index equals key depth minus 97, and I'll do the dot ord here. This is a little confusing. So current dot children index equals remove the same thing, key and depth plus 1. Okay. Root equals nil if it's current. It's current. Did I mess it up anywhere else? I don't think so. Current equals nil if current dot children dot empty and current dot end of word equals false, and then return current. All right, that seems like a lot. That's okay though. Def test remove. Okay, and then we want to remove ABBA. And this should return false. Oh yeah, and then I'm gonna get tricky. Okay. I don't think this is going to work. I think the empties will throw a undefined method nil. Oh, well, try 47. I did mean that. Thank you for noticing. Undefined method for length. Okay, that's another spot that I thought it might complain. That is at 51. Okay, I should fix that. Ooh, undefined method cars for key. Why is that? Ah. I am not correctly recurring. Because I forgot. Cool. Okay, that works. That's nuts. Huh. Okay. Let's remove all of these commented things and see how much more succinct the Ruby version is. Okay, cool. Oh, this is how it's moving to the bottom and recurring. Okay, cool. So it runs all of this all the way down to the bottom, max depth. Huh. Yep, because that's where it's setting the index and depth +1. Yep, depth. Okay, that's crazy cool. Huh. And then they check if, yeah, depth equals key.character.length. What? Dang. Okay. Oh, and then I want to make sure then is also there. Wow. This is pretty sweet. Programming cleverness. I do not think I would have been able to figure that out on my own. Maybe if there's an iterative way to do it? Yeah, I'm not sure. Cool. All right. Let's look at displaying the content. Oh, yeah, that looks cool. Trie is an efficient information retrieval data structure. I guess is depending on your information. The idea to do this is to start traversing from the root node of the trie. Current index level. Okay. Oh, that's nice. Thank you. Display root. Oh, they pass in a string array? Oh, because it's recursive. Okay. And at what level? Oh. Huh. I didn't know that shovel operator existed in other languages. First time I saw it was in Ruby, so I thought it was just a Ruby thing. Okay. Alpha size. Okay, where did that get defined? Don't know what alpha size is. Oh, it's probably a constant. There's literally just alphabet size. Yep, right there. Stranger in the night, what's going on? Are you so excited? You so hype? Is that what the hype brain's for? Alright, I guess I'll try this. More recursion, which is always a little confusing. How's it going, stranger? That's just fun to say. Okay, so I already have the roots. Character array. Mostly just tired today. Yeah, that's cool. Me too. Glad you're good, though. Glad you're good. String level and current. I'll just initialize at root. All right, it was easier the way I did this for the other one. node is a leaf node. It indicates end of a string. So a null character is added and a string is displayed. I don't know what the translation to Ruby is for this. And it's just a C++ one. Okay, cool. I'll figure it out. Your username used to be Xbox 360 Adam Live. Is that from Xbox 360 days, I'm assuming? Oh, old email address. Gotcha. We'll get picked on a bit and made fun of because of Xbox Live. Huh. Yeah, I guess such is the internet. Stranger in the Night gets lots of different compliments. Yeah, it's a fun play on words, and as I've gotten to know you, seems to the play on words bit goes with your personality, as far as I can tell. Yeah, I'm glad you like it. Yeah. And then they'll just what? Printing the string? You think Reading Waters is a cool name too? Thank you. I like it. It's also a play on words, but not one I think most people would get. My last name is Waters, and I used to do a lot of whitewater kayaking. And a big part of that is reading the whitewater in front of you. So that's where it came from. Later on, I come to find out that there's a really popular trout fishing book by the same name. No connection though. It's actually going to be 25. Your last name is Trout? Nice. Weird connections. Must be a conspiracy. Oh, not really. All right. All right. No conspiracy then. Agreed. Agreed. It's definitely funny. uh, that's okay. I'll forever know you as Stranger in the Night Trout. Now you just need to get a little avatar that's a fish holding a sword and a shield and has a little helmet on it. Your new theme. Perfect. Perfect. We figured it out right here. This needs to be current. And where? Ah, yes, I did change this around. So string gets passed in here. And then level +1. Yeah, I don't think I need this new line here either. JavaScript comments. Okay. Let's just see if this will do anything. Why are these all moved over so much? Don't know. I guess this needs to be initialized. I don't want to do that. I'll do it over here. String is actually a string array that is empty. And level is equal to 0. And we're just going to see what happens. THE. Okay. All right. That's something. Now, what happens when I add another word? Lumjacker, thanks for the follow. That's awesome. Glad you're here. Hang out, learn some stuff. Drop into chat if you like. I'm currently doing 100 days of code. This is day 16. And yesterday I learned about tries, which is this data structure. And currently I'm figuring out some operations on it. Yesterday we did insert into the trie, search into the trie. Today I'm doing remove and display. And currently work on display, but I'm reading some confusing C++ code, and I don't know C++. But feel free, ask any questions or correct me if you see that I'm wrong somewhere. Nice. That's weird. Don't know why it does that. Whoa. Doing something weird with the. Okay, let's see if I can figure out what's going on. Okay, that should make those look a bit better. Yep. Thurcher. What is a thurcher? For some reason, maybe I need to see what they're initializing those as. Yep, they're inserting stuff. Display root, string, and level. Yep, that looks right. Starting at level 0. Yep, that seems all right. Yeah, that should be right. If non-null child is found, add a parent key to string. Call the display function recursively for child mode. Hmm. This is gonna get a little crazy. But I'm gonna just print out everything and see if I can notice any. Nah, I'm not gonna be able to read that whatsoever. Oh, maybe I need to see is leaf node. Yeah, what is there is leaf node doing? Because that's the only code that's not represented here. Okay. Okay, seems right. Root is leaf is false. I'm using end of word. Maybe this will be easier to read. String. We can see how it's building those out. Okay, it is easier. What? That's not quite right. Oh, maybe I have to reset. Huh. Oh, I think I know what's happening. So when it gets to the leaf node, if there's a word longer than that before it, it's actually it's not changing the tail end of the array. So how do I keep up with level? Yeah, let's print out what the level is. Three. Okay, cool. So I need to slice this starting at 0 and going level. Yes! Yeah, that's it. Perfect. Oh, that's awesome. Sweet. Okay. Now I'll clean this up. Thanks, stranger. Appreciate that. Oh, it's mimicking the code that I'm copying. makes sense. Okay, and to make this testable, I will make an array, and instead of printing these, I'll push them to the array. And then return the array. That way, I can test it. Ooh. Oh, they're going to return in alphabetical order. Oh, that's interesting. That's why Scorcher was complaining. Ooh. Okay. I failed that. Oh, because it is returning before. Okay, we got ABBA. NASA did an engine test today. It was supposed to be an 8-minute test. Wow. That's a long time to fire a rocket. It went 1 minute before they cut it. Okay, gotcha. Did they run into trouble, or did they just get all the data they needed? Wasn't going so well. Gotcha. Yeah, the last big thing that I kept up with, space race wise, was the SpaceX belly flop. Was a late test, and then it looked pretty shaky. Oh, gotcha. And they shut it down. Yeah, that would be terrifying if something like that broke off a test stand. Artemis engines. I don't know much about them. These are the moon mission rockets, right? Engines. Gotcha. Nice. Well, do you play any Kerbal Space Program? Googling languages for rockets. Yeah, it's probably like C and C++, right? Yeah, figures. They've got to be pretty fast and pretty much. Oh, I think all that stuff has to be real time. If it's not real time, then it just doesn't work. And that's totally different. Yeah, that's like down to the operating system different. Oh, very HTML and CSS heavy. It has to be. They've got to make it look good. Python for tests, nice, makes sense. Gotta have your tests in a different language, that way you can't copy over any logic. Hmm. It's amazing the number of trolls that show up in chat on a rocket launcher test. Really? I guess I've only watched a few of those tests live, so I haven't really noticed it. Are they just like cheering for it to fail type thing? Oh, gotcha. They start saying that the Earth is flat, and I hope it explodes. Yeah, that's just silly. I don't understand why someone would take the time to just go sit and do that. Hurry up. That's silly. Like because they install Google Chrome now, they're rocket scientists. Yeah, that's true. There's a big feeling of inspiration and confidence that comes at the beginning of the Dunning-Kruger effect. Thank you for the laughs. I appreciate that. Yeah, I have no idea how to make this display how I want it to. because just printing them out is fine. Pushing them to an array seems to be awkward. Guess I could print out the string. .2. Maybe that's what's happening. Nope, it's not it. Oh, now it's just failing for some reason. Get 38,000 people in a chat, and I guess it's only fair that many trolls... Yeah, that's fair. Even if they're interested in it, there's still gonna be trolls. Okay, I did something to break this. I don't know what it was. Some are funny, most are not nowadays. People are more bored than it. Yeah, I think that is true. What was that? Ooh. Okay, well, it prints them out at least. to initialize this array here. And then pass it in. Then return it. Yep, that did it. Cool. I like to say about a quarter troll, like, everybody's a quarter troll, or a quarter of that 38,000 are 100% troll. I guess is a quarter of the 38,000, which is a lot. Oh gosh. I need 37,999 more people in here to blend in. Well, here specifically. Because currently it's you and I and someone? There might be someone else in here. I'm not sure. If there is someone else in here, follow and say hi in chat. That'd be awesome. Cool. I got my display working. Three people in here and you somehow get a troll like me? No, you haven't been trolling too much. It's been good. It's been good. The occasional quip or witty comment is always welcome. Awesome. That's exactly what I wanted to happen. It's your stranger in the night trout. Sword, shield, helmet, and all. Oh my gosh. Excellent use of emojis. Is there a fish? No, I don't see one either. I was looking for it. Oh well. Oh well. Maybe one day. Okay, so I got it to display content. Oh, you found one! That's awesome. Oh, that's so good. That's so good. Grade A trout. We'll have no less. Ooh, that's a lot of text. what those are. Why a tribe? Oh, okay. All right. So advantages make sense. Let's see what the issues are. Okay, so they're fast, but they require tons of memory. That's the short of it. Huh, okay. Looks like they're super fast in finding things, alphabetizing, or finding words. At alphabetizing words. But they require a ton of memory, which makes sense because literally every trie node is storing an array that is the length of the alphabet. 26 for the English alphabet. And then every node can have up to 26 other nodes stored in that array. So the memory gets pretty crazy, pretty fast if you have a ton of words. Maybe. I guess it depends on the null or nil implementation. Huh. It's cool though. Okay. Ooh, I added some stuff. Get diff. Let's tests. Oh right. I never made a commit after reviewing. Search, display. There should be... You're saving your projects on GitHub? I am. Oh, I don't think I have that, my GitHub to this project listed anywhere on Twitch. I should do that. Thank you for bringing that up. Do you want a link to the GitHub? Cool. Let me grab that. Oh gosh, I'm just gonna go over here and find the link. Bit of a GitHub noob, but you did create an account. That's good. That's good. It takes time to figure it out. And Git and GitHub are very different, even though they're very similar. And GitLab, yes, and GitLab. Cool. That is the link to my 100 Days of Code repo. Oh, right. I was double checking that remove was actually there. Yep. Oh, I see now. I see. Cool. tries. Insert / search. Implement try. What did I do? Oh, remove and display. Remove and display. Oh, nice. Thank you. I appreciate that. Now I can update the README. Day 16, oop, not 17. Stranger, you've been here enough times. You know what's going on. I'm updating the README. That means that things are coming to a close. No, that's not true at all. I'm gonna try and get to bed before 1 a.m. this evening. I have a kid that likes to wake up pretty early. She's not too bad, but I like to be nice and awake for her. And I've been going to bed late. Feel that. Get some good rest. I was up and studying and then pass out again today. Nice. Nice. Yeah, with a kid, I can't pass out in the middle of the day again unless she takes a nap. That is one of the things I miss. Random naps. You woke up thinking I'd be here and I missed your stream again? Nice. I'm glad you got up too. It's always enjoyable when you're here. Yeah, I guess I should probably put an actual schedule on Twitch as well. I didn't do it at first because I didn't know when I'd be able to do this. Oh, you're dreaming of me coding again? You dream of code? Okay, that's good. That means your brain's processing it, right? Call me stranger for nothing. It's true. I guess for the stranger in the night name, the stranger originally means that we don't know each other very well. And then as we get to know each other, the stranger just means you're a stranger than most other people. Perfect. I'm glad you agree. we go. All right. I think that's it. README is updated. Cool. Peace out. Sleep well. Thank you. And thanks for joining in. I always appreciate the conversation and having you around. If anybody else is around and viewing, thanks for being here. And we'll see you tomorrow. See you, stranger. Don't code anything I wouldn't. You got it. You got it.